So this is the part. This shit's still hot. Fuck. This is the part where you fuck up your hands and your elbows trying to take off the plugs. Ah, fuck. Alright, there we go. One. Damn. Oh my god, are you fucking kidding me? Right, let me take this one off. Ah, fuck. Now this one. Come on. Let me try to wiggle it. Are you fucking kidding me? Alright, bet this side's done. Now, other side. Go. Oh shit. That's not good. This is the cover though. You guys like my wiring?
Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
There we go. Now this one. Come on. Go. Oh, the last one. Okay. Now, take off the header bolts, both sides, and then I guess go under the truck and disconnect the white pipe. My white pipe is all welded on. It doesn't have clamps, so I'm gonna see how I'm gonna do that. But first, I'm gonna take off these bolts real quick, and then I guess the next clip is me under the truck. Let me see. I think that has the part number. I think this is the part number. I think. Hold up. Oh no, it's right here. I don't know if you guys can see. Boom. That's the part number. Now the thing about these, I don't know if they fit or not. We're gonna find out real quick. But I heard these do fit 4x4 OBSs with an LS. I've been looking around in forums. People say Spear Engineering fits, but they fit the regular two-wheel drive ones. This one's four-wheel drive and has a front diff right there. So I heard on forums, I heard that these fit four-wheel drive OBSs with an LS in it. So I got these. I swear the neighbors played the same songs 5 times in a row. I'm over here looking for a 14. Oh, I have 15s. Where's it at? Where you at? Oh, fuck. Okay. So I'm under here, right? Look how fucking stripped this shit looks. Oh my god. Look at that. God damn it. I don't know how I'm gonna get this shit off. I got the other one off. It says fuck. This one's a bitch. I've been 2 hours out here. The fucking sun. Trying to take this shit off. Fuck. Alright. I'll pick it back up once I get this shit out somehow. Alright. Alright. I finally got it off. Finally. Holy shit. I had to use the impact. Here it is. I don't know where the bolt is. It's probably in here. Where's it at? Fuck, where you at? Damn, it's right here. Oh, this shit's hot as fuck. My dumb ass grabbed it. Alright. Finally got it out. Oh my god. If I didn't strip this freaking side bad as hell, I would have got it out for a long time ago, but fuck it. I got it out. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna take a little break, guys. This is taking forever. All I have to do is just get those bolts. Fuck. Get those bolts out of here and then disconnect the O2 sensors, and we could take the exhaust off and then start putting the headers. I don't even know if the headers fit. But I'm gonna take a break, guys. Fuck. Took way too long than it's supposed to. Fuck. Damn, guys. I just checked the time. It's like 4:40. It's like I started like at 1. Fuck. Taking way too long than it needs to. I'm almost done though. Fuck. I still haven't taken off the white pipes. God damn it. That bolt fucking A. I stripped the hell out of it. The impact came in clutch. Fuck. I don't even know if they fit. I don't even know if these bitches fit or not. We're gonna find out. I need to rest a little bit before I freaking go under there again. God, it's all dirt. I got freaking dirt in my ear. Fuck. Alright, bet. I'll catch you guys when I'm under the truck. I was under there for like an hour, at least an hour, trying to get that bolt off. It's because I was stripping the hell out of it. Alright, God. Freaking dirt in my eyes. My whole, look at me. Fuck. Okay, guys, it's the next day. Next day. Yesterday I got tired and I was getting pissed off because I couldn't get this one bolt off, but I finally got it out. Look at that. Fucked up the threads. Where's the bolt? There's the bolt. I kept going at it with the impact till the threads were all gone, so it just falls out. But I got the white pops off. So I already disconnected the O2 sensors. Now I just need to take off the header and then I can fit them on. Fuck. Alright, guys. Oh shit. Sorry I keep cutting it. I'm just really trying to get this shit done. But I finally got this shit out. There you go. Come on, bitch. There you go. Finally got it out. As you can see, I had to cut it. Oh, it says over. I couldn't. There's no way I was gonna wiggle it out or hammer it out, so I had to cut it. Plus, if I do need this, I have a welder, so I can just weld it back on. So there you go. Look, see? I had no hammer and that shit was stuck, so I just stuck the breaker bar in here. Try to push it out, and now this shit's stuck. But damn, that took way too long than it needed. But I got it out. There you go. Now we can see if they fit. Watch them not fit. Oh, they're gonna fit. Oh, this shit's not open. Okay, bet. I'm gonna check if these shits fit. Damn. These bitches are hot. Alright. Damn, they're fucking hot. Fuck. Alright. Damn. They fit fucking perfect, dude. Look at that. I was worried about this side because there's the diff and there's the little drive shaft. But it looks like it doesn't even hit it at all. I don't know if I could get a better angle. There you go. Look at that. It's not even hitting it. Fuck. Look how beautiful that is. Alright, guys, anyways, I got this side all buttoned up. This side was a little sketchy because the driver's side, it slipped in right away, and this side, it was kind of hard. It kept hitting the frame. It kept hitting the bottom frame. So I wiggled it, I squeezed it in, and I had to take off. It was hitting the coil packs, so I took off the coil packs. As soon as I took off the coil packs, it slipped in right away. Didn't have any issues. It looks like this right here. That's hitting. I think I need to get like a little shield for that or some heat wrap. But anyways, it slipped in good. Had to take off the coil packs. I'm gonna put those on. They're on there. Fuck. That white pipe took forever. Oh my gosh. I had to cut it. But they slipped in there. This side. It cleared the diff, the drive shaft, which I'm so happy about. I think I need to buy new wires because I freaking ripped them all. This one, I don't even know what the hell. It's blurry. Look, that shit's stuck. I kind of want to clean it. It's a little bit dirty. Fuck. Open header. And fuck it. I guess I'm going to turn it on. So I'm going to do that real quick. Put the core packs back on. And I'll catch you all once it's all good. Fucking A, bro. Freaking snapped. Now I got 2 snap bolts in here and I got 1 over there. There was already 1 here and 1 over there, but now there's 2. Sick ass. Alright guys, everything's together. Oh my gosh. I'm scared. I don't even want to turn it on. Everything's connected. Let me double check everything. I definitely want to. The last bolt on the other header is pretty loose, but it's fine. I'll tighten it later on. I want to check everything. Check the wires. The intake. I'll put the intake all stupid. Check the wires. Oh, I almost forgot. This. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a harness there, and it's touching the header. You guys can't see, but there's a harness there, and it's touching the header. That's why I don't want to turn it on, but I'm not gonna leave it on until it gets hot. I just wanna see how it sounds. I'm taking these off. All right, bet. We're gonna keep it going. No cuts. Keep it going. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. I think I'm gonna start it. I think I'm gonna turn it on, guys. Freak, dude, I don't even want to. Alright. We're gonna turn it on. Oh my god, this thing's gonna be so freaking loud. Oh my god, come on. Oh my god, I don't even want to start it. Alright, here we go. Oh my god! There was no way. Alright, I'm starting again. Holy shit. It's fucking loud. Well, no shit, dumbass. It's open headers. Why is the camera all blurry? Alright, there we go. I definitely smell something burnt. Maybe it's just the fumes. Keep in mind, guys, the freaking O2 sensors are not. I don't have them on there. What the hell? Son of a bitch. Sick ass. I'll clean this up real quick. Fuck. We're gonna keep it going. this right now. Freak, that was so loud. Let's go. Alright. We're gonna try it again. We're gonna prime it real quick. Prime it a couple times. Alright. Holy fucking shit. Yeah, this shit does not want idle. Damn. Well, there it is, guys. I mean, I can't really do anything. I guess try it again. I'm gonna try it again and give it a little bit of gas. I mean, that's it pretty much. I just need an exhaust on it. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna try it again, but I'm gonna give it a little bit of gas. Let's go. Nope, does not want to idle. Well, I guess that's it, guys. I'm tired as hell. It was hot as hell. It's hot as fuck, guys. It's hot. New Mexico don't fuck around. By the way, let's see how fucking loud this bitch is.
Pues sí, güey. Needs that tune.